Hello, I'm Jamie Barnett, Chief of the FCC's Public Safety and Homeland Security Bureau. I'd like to take a few moments to introduce the public safety elements of the National Broadband Plan, and then other Bureau staff members will describe specific portions of the plan in more detail. Safety and security are vital to America's prosperity. Broadband can help public safety personnel prevent emergencies and respond swiftly when they occur. But the United States has not realized the potential of broadband to enhance public safety. Today, first responders from some jurisdictions and agencies cannot communicate during emergencies. Emergency 911 systems still operate on circuit switch networks. Similarly, federal, tribal, state, and local governments use outdated alerting systems to inform the public safety during emergencies. The United States also faces threats to the resiliency and cybersecurity of its networks. As the world moves online, America's digital borders are not nearly as secure as its physical borders. The country can do better than what we have now. In a broadband world, there's a unique opportunity to achieve comprehensive vision for enhancing the safety and security of the American people. Here's the vision of what America needs for broadband for public safety. To allow first responders anywhere in the nation to send and receive critical voice, video, and data to save lives, reduce injuries, and prevent acts of crime and terror. To ensure all Americans can access emergency services quickly and send and receive vital information regardless of how it is transmitted. To revolutionize the way Americans are notified about emergencies and disasters so they can receive information vital to their safety. To reduce threats to e-commerce and other internet-based applications by ensuring the security of nation's broadband networks. The hallmark of the Public Safety Plan is a truly nationwide, truly interoperable public safety broadband network. And the plan that we have developed came after months of meeting with public safety officials, industry innovators, and subject matter experts. The public safety broadband network will provide the capacity and performance that the public safety needs now and for the future through a groundbreaking concept of roaming and priority access. This concept will add resiliency and redundancy. As we mentioned in the plan, public funding is essential to make sure that the network is built, that it is built as the commercial networks are built. And if the funding does not come soon, we'll miss the chance in a technological lifetime to solve the problems with interoperability that we saw in 9/11. Broadband can also make 911 and emergency alerting systems more capable, allowing for better protection of lives and property. For example, with broadband, 911 call centers, also known as Public Safety Answering Points or PSAPs, could receive text, pictures, and videos from the public and relay them to first responders. Similarly, the government could use broadband networks to disseminate vital information to the public during emergencies in multiple formats and languages. Finally, well-structured and well-protected broadband networks could reduce threats to internet-based applications. The proliferation of Internet protocol or IP-based communications requires stronger cybersecurity. Disasters and pandemics can lead to sudden disruption of normal IP traffic flows. As a result, broadband communication networks must be held to high standards of reliability, resiliency, and security. This is the vision for what broadband can do for first responders and our heroes in the public safety community, bringing more safety and faster response to our families and loved ones and our nation.